Let's talk about assemblies and bill of material. And we're talking here today about light manufacturing. So what's the difference between light manufacturing and advanced manufacturing? Just to scope the discussion, light manufacturing is really when we just take a few components or raw materials and put them together into a new product. Advanced manufacturing is when we think of allocating staff, machine optimization, machine utilization, and planning the whole manufacturing process, which requires manufacturing systems or apps. When we talk about inventory systems, they'll all have some functionality for light manufacturing or just assembly. And let's look at what that means. So basically, they will all have a concept of bill of materials. A bill of material is a recipe that says I need one of these products, 3 of those, and a half of this to make a new product that I can sell. The components of the bill of materials can be raw materials that I don't sell individually, or it can be other products that I do sell individually, and now I can also sell them as a kit or a hamper or a basket. So for example, it can be maybe I'm selling lollies. I can sell my lollies individually, but I can also sell my birthday pack, which has 10 lollies of each color in 3 colors. So my bill of material will be 10 red lollies, 10 blue lollies, 10 green lollies, and maybe a box to hold that, and maybe a card. I have the boxes, the cards, and all the lollies in stock. The lollies, maybe I can sell them individually, but then I can make them into a box, into a birthday pack, and sell that at its own price. Another scenario that's a bit more manufacturing will be many of the, say, cosmetics. So I will have a bottle, an empty bottle, a cap, a pump, material, shampoo, and a box, and maybe a few labels, a label for the bottle, a label for the box, and all of that together make my finished goods. I wouldn't sell any of the raw materials individually, but I can sell them as my bottle of shampoo. There's an important distinction that is already a differentiator, maybe not all apps support, between with having the option of auto assembly. So auto assembly means if I have all the components in stock, I'm able to sell the assembled product. So if I have those 30 lollies in stock and the box and the label, I can tell the customer who came to buy them, I can say, hey, hold on, I'll take 10 of these, 10 of these, 10 of these. Here you go, and I sold them. So as long as I have the components in stock, I'm able to sell the finished good or the assembled product. But with a shampoo example, that's not the same, because if I have 100 liters of the shampoo material in all the empty packaging, I can't put it together right away, right? So I need to run an assembly process in order to make the finished good available for sale. So the first scenario with the lollies, that was auto assembly is an option there. So if we allow a product to be auto-assembled, that means that I'm able to sell it if I have all the components in stock. If we say that the shampoo is not auto-assembly, assembly is ticked off for shampoo, because if I haven't run an assembly process, I can't sell the finished goods.